So today we're in Premiere Pro and we're going to take a look at how you can make a progression / timeline bar in Premiere Pro. It's pretty simple, so all we're going to do is we're first going to go down here to our rectangle tool and we'll draw ourselves a rectangle. We'll try and keep it as accurate as possible. So once we've drawn our rectangle, we're just going to move it and we're going to try and size it up a bit more because you're never going to get it quite accurate. So what we'll do is we'll try and draw it like that. As you see, I'm about right. I'm about happy with that. It's slightly off in the corners, but I'm really going to bother. If you want to change the colour, we can always just go up here and shape. I already have a fill for green, so I just want to use the colour green. I just have a stroke on to add a little bit of an outline to the bar, depending on the background and your contrast and all that. But those options are up to you. The next thing I want to do is I want to stretch this graphic out for the entire of the video, so we're just going to drop it right to the end of the timeline, and we're also going to have to work out the positioning. So I know already that minus 540 is going to be a good stopping point for the beginning of our timeline progression. So you can see here on the red outline that the rectangle has moved right to the end of the video, and all we're going to do is click our little stopwatch toggle animation. You'll see this symbol here. This is our keyframe marker. Then all we're going to do, you'll drag this timeline while we're still on the effect control of the rectangle, drag it right to the other side where it ends. I'm going to type in the original starting position, which is 540 in our case. Now if we start our video back at the beginning and we just watch it, you'll see the green timeline is now slowly moving. If we click up here, you can see that it keeps moving right to the end of the video. So that's how you make a timeline / progression bar in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.